What's up, hustlers? I'm literally going to give away my courses for free so you guys can potentially quit your job. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through our Hustlers Reselling community where you can learn how to phone flip and product resell all in one place, and of course, connect with me. In this all together should be able to provide you guys with the formula and the structure to start making money today. So let's make this clear. The Hustler Starter community is built for all resellers, but especially starters, people that are just getting started or need a refresher. We are talking about phone flippers and also product resellers. This is a community on WAP, and this is an app I know a lot of people are not familiar with, especially my audience. We're usually on school, but we put it on WAP because this allows us to have a bunch of different new features that we actually can utilize in this space. Now, have no fear because I will be showing you guys exactly how to navigate this platform, especially on the phone, because I know a lot of you guys will be downloading the app. And again, the link is below, and right now for this weekend only, it is 100% free. And then we'll be charging $10 a month for people to be able to access this. But if you do get this for free, you have it for free for life. And again, this is us building our community over at WAP, and I'm excited to have you guys joining us. So we're gonna start out on our phone right here, and I'll put screen recording on so you guys can see too. But WAP is going to be a platform that allows us to have different chats, and it also allows us to have a learn section. So it has a course section and chat section. So we'll break them all down, and I'm going to go in depth in each section so you know exactly how and why I utilize it the way I do for you guys to get the maximum success. But you also are able to DM me directly. I have one-on-one conversations with most of my members, way more than even on any type of chat in the community. You can DM me and you get fast responses, faster than Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and all of the platforms because it goes directly to my phone, and I am dedicated to communities on this app as well. Now, if you guys see me looking down, I'm looking down at the chat, okay? So I have it pulled up and now it is recording, so you guys should be able to see it as well. So as you see, when you log into the app and you sign up, there's going to be a few different sections, but I want to talk about the live stream section because this is really why we are on WAP, okay? I love this live streaming aspect. As you see, I just went live this morning right here, and it basically gives you insight on a bunch of things, right? I will go live daily. I will also have my own private live sessions where, just like I go live on YouTube and I make offers, phone offers, and I have different courses, and soon it will be classes, live classes for free that I'll be doing using this live feature. So live streams is very important. So you'll be able to see that, and when I'm live, you'll be able to click it and you'll be able to see all of the material that I am putting out. Next, we have announcements. So announcements, as you see, you can't screen record them. That's why it's this little square saying this is more protected than the upside down, keep it in the vault, stranger, right? Because you cannot screen record or take pictures of what's in the announcements. But I give you daily motivation. I also give you a newsletter every single week with a different type of tip and trick that I myself have learned. So yes, that is really beneficial when it comes to the announcements. All right. And next we have chat, right? And you have general chat, you have product resourcing or product sourcing help. You have the weekly hustler goal, community handbook, and starting here checklist. And then you'll see learn. Now learn, you'll have the starter training replay vault. You have the starter tool vault. And these are going to be vaults you have access to. But you also do see the reseller guide vault. Now, this is locked to our growth tier. So remember when I said in the beginning that this is the tier for all beginning resellers? Well, I have one more tier, which is the growth tier, which is a little bit more expensive monthly, but this is my mentorship tier. Okay, so you don't have access to everything that's in this tier or in this vault. You only can access for free the starter training replay vault and the starter tool vault. Now, what is a vault? A vault is basically going to be a whole bunch of material that I have composed for you guys to be able to consume on a month-to-month basis. I do update this so you guys can make sure you stay updated with different knowledge and, of course, the updates in the reselling and phone flipping industry. All right, so let's start talking about the general chat. Now, general chat sounds like this is like a Discord, right? Where you just chat and talk about whatever you got going on. No. General chat, you can ask me general questions if you don't want to DM me, and these are like usually questions you want to put in public. But usually what people do is they'll hit general chat and then they'll use this free booking icon right here where you can actually go and literally book your call with me for free. It gives you the dates where I'm available for free calls. So again, while yes, you get the community for free, you also get free book calls as well. And that's something that you can utilize the general chat for. Product sourcing help. Now, this is going to be a chat that you're able to ask me questions as far as, hey, B, should I sell this? How should I list this? How should I sell that? Is this a trending product? Prime example, I'll be putting different products like this. This is a new 10,000 mAh portable charger that I actually just got, and I will be testing this out on Gadget Hustle. But if it's selling well, I'll be the first to put this in the product sourcing help category so you guys can know before anybody. So again, you guys will get discounts, but also get my insight on different products to help you continue to succeed, but also be ahead of the curve. When I learn from my distributors with selling, you guys will too. This gives you great insight and also gives you a sense of knowing you're always going to be in the know, right? The next one we're going to have is weekly hustler goals. Now, this is where we will be putting different goals weekly, and people that check these goals off will be entered into a randomized picker where you will be getting free products. So let me explain. I may have a week where I'm saying, yo, hey, the first person to sell 10 products on eBay, I will be giving you guys a free product box. Now, when you finish, I want you to send me a picture of your dashboard, of course. Show me that you guys sold those 10 products. And when you do that, you'll be picked to get a reseller's kit, or if it's multiple people, we will put you in a randomizer. And then on Sundays, during our plan of attack, I will pick exactly who will get that reseller's kit. It's something fun to keep the hustle going, right? Next, we have the community handbook. Now, this is where we'll be putting different rules, different things of rules of engagement, and different type of activities that we're going to have in this community. So you guys know exactly the day, the structures, times, and also the behaviors we want to exhibit to keep this a healthy community. Next, we have the Start Here checklist. This is just a checklist with a bunch of different resources and lets you know exactly how to start if you are a little bit confused. All right. Next, let's start talking about the learn section. All right, so you have the starting trainer vote. Okay, so the start training replay vote is one of the votes people use often. Now, you can message me if you have questions after a video or even after a replay. Now, let's deep dive into what a replay is. A replay is going to be a course or a call or even a training that I had that was recorded that you guys can actually replay and watch. So, prime example, I may have had somebody that lives in the Bahamas that had an issue getting products over to him, or had an issue creating an eBay account. He booked a call and we went over exactly how to do it. Or maybe somebody wanted to get unbanned from eBay. He booked a call and I got him unbanned literally on the call. You now have access to see every step, question, and every overriding objection that we have faced for you to take in your own perspective and utilize. So that is what the replay tool vote is. Has a bunch of different sections with different replays that you guys could actually take advantage of. All right. Next, we're going to go back to that training replay vote, and then you see starting trainer replay vote. Now, this is going to be where we have master classes. So I'm going to upload way more than just the phone flipping replays and the reselling replays, but it's also going to be phone flipping, AirPod replica, and also listing ones coming next month. And this is to help you, again, refresh or even just learn a new technique. So again, this resellers community is not just for you to hang out or for you to just have the app downloaded. It's actually something you can learn with. Now, let's go into the starter tool vote. Now, this is, again, not able to be screenshot, but this has guides, PDFs, and a bunch of different things that you literally can read to learn how to do steps, checklists, phone flipping checklists, and things of that nature where you're able to utilize this for you to become better in your craft, reselling, and also being able to phone flip. So again, guys, this is a breakdown of how you can get insight into my community, but also better than Discord, it gives you that access to see me have a live video, live training, live sessions, and be able to interact with me as a community member. And not just that, you get free calls, and also you can DM me and we can talk, and I can help you override objections, problems, or help you build a foundation that you are trying to build. So again, guys, not only am I giving you these courses for free, not only am I giving you this community for free this weekend, but I'm also focused on giving you guys a 100% realistic approach to being able to better yourself, better your craft, without having to go through the fluff of people trying to create videos for titles or people trying to build up their YouTubes. No, this is a community where we're just literally satisfied with who's in it and also focused on moving forward and becoming 1% better daily. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.